Happy Tuesday to you from Blue Line Futures here at the Chicago Board of Trade. I'm Oliver Slope in your ag market update. Want to start by touching on some of the price action here that we saw in the grains throughout the session, specifically corn, soybeans, wheat. Want to start looking at that December corn contract. December corn started off a little bit weaker tone, hovering right around that 350 level, which is very disappointing considering we had such a fabulous day yesterday, closing up nearly 7 cents, the biggest positive gain we've seen in about 2 months, and funds buying back about 15,000 short positions. Really weren't able to get any momentum until the end of the day. Into that close, we saw the funds step back in. Estimated buyers of about 8,000 contracts on the day. Now, 350 has been a big line in the sand between the bulls and the bears recently, but 353.5 I think is the more significant technical level that we're looking at on a closing basis. This represents the 50-day moving average. Although a simple indicator, it is very significant to us. We've not been able to see a close above this since July. I think if the bulls are able to find a fundamental catalyst to achieve a close above that, we could spark some additional technical short covering from the funds who have a short position of close to 170,000 contracts. Now, as far as the soybeans are concerned, we've been harping on 975 to 977 being key support pocket. We did trade below that here in today's session, but the close is what we're looking at, and the market bounce of buyers into the close are able to close above that. Now, if the bulls are not able to maintain price action above this going forward throughout the rest of the week, I wouldn't be surprised to see some additional long liquidation process back down towards 961 to 965. This support pocket represents the 50 and 100-day moving average, trendline support from the August lows, as well as a key Fibonacci retracement level. So I think if we do trade lower towards that 961 to 965 pocket, you'll have an opportunity to the buy side down there. Remember, price is what you pay, value is what you get. I think you'll find good value there in terms of risk reward. Now, lastly, wrapping things up with the wheat market. Wheat performed very, very strong on Monday's session. Just would have liked to see a little bit more follow through, but again, running into technical resistance defined by that 50-day moving average, as with corn, something we have not been able to see a close above since July. Until we see that, I think the bears remain in control and rallies are to be sold. So that's kind of what we're looking at as we head towards the midway point of the week, and that's what you should be looking at too. If you have questions about any of the markets, ags, livestock, metals, currencies, etc., I encourage you, please give us a call, 312-278-0500. Again, 312-278-0500. You can also email us, info@bluelinefutures.com. I encourage you to visit the website, www.bluelinefutures.com. Thank you, and look forward to hearing from you soon.